Welcome to your dance workout. My name is Andrea, we're Embody, and today we're unstoppable. So let's turn it up and claim this moment and have some fun. Here we go. All right, let's get that body warmed up. Side to side. Give me double, double. Hey. Who's feeling great today? I know we are. I bet you are too. Let's really get ready to energize. Move our bodies. Let's go side to side. Add that clap. Clap it out. Now clap it up. Side and up. Side and up. Get that body moving. That's it. Keep it up. Feels great to be alive. Here we go. Swing and clap. Clap. Who's feeling amazing? Now swing it low. Swing it low. Feel that energy build. When you get even lower.
Sometimes I get a good feeling. Yeah.
Great. Now reach down. Scoop up all the energy you need. Bring it to your heart. Send it out to the world. Feeling grateful to be alive. Again, let's reach down. Get all that you need. Everything is in you. Reach it up to the ceiling. Good. Side to side. Swing those arms. Keep it going. Make sure that smile's on your face. That's how you ensure to have a great day. All right, let's pick it up. Step and clap. Swing and clap. You got this. Let's go. Clap it up. Here we go. Out and up. Feel that energy go through your body. Slide it out. Slide it. Up and down with those arms. Hey. And down. Just because we're taking an active breath doesn't mean you stop moving your body. And out. Let's do one more. Really big. Reach all the way. Let's lead it side to side. Here we go. Side. Side. Take those arms across. This is a great time to take big breaths. Take it down. Down. Great job. Back to the cross. All right, let's clap it out in the center. Clap it out. You know what comes next. I think we're turning it up. Let's go. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Jump it up. That's it. Hey! In 4, 3, 2, 1, side to side. Who's got limitless energy? I know you do. Back to slide. Slide. Catch your breath. Good. Take those arms up. 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 In the center, here we go. March it out, together. Four, 3, 2, 1, let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey. Step and pump. Pump it. Let's see those muscles out there. That's it. Both arms, right here. Slow it down a little bit. That's it. Both arms. Let's go. Back to side. Slide it out. Smile check, how we doing? Make sure you keep that energy on your face. Makes it so much more fun. All right, goes in 2 to the side. 2. Now switch. That's it. All right. Here we go, we're gonna pump it up. Pump it up. And switch. Hey. Raise that roof, wherever you are. All right, hands above you and hip, hip. Just let that body have fun. That's it, back to side, and out. Catch that breath, 2 to the side, double it up. Hey, great job. Back to singles, single, single. Maybe you want to get low. Hey, get low. All right, bring it up. Here we go, hands above you, and side, side. We're just having fun. That's it, 2 this way, 2, 2. Hey. Looking good. Raise the roof. You're doing fantastic.
Watch out, my outfit
keep it up.
Ridiculous. In the club looking so conspicuous. And wow, these women all on the prowl.
Back
if
to
you hold
slide.
your head steady, I'ma melt
This
the cow.
way, let's
Forget
go.
about game.
Single.
I'ma spit the truth.
Hey.
I won't stop till I get them in their birthday suits. So give me the rhythm and it'll be off with their clothes. Then bend over to the front.
Double it up, give me 2. 1
Left the jag
and
I
2.
took the roll.
Hey,
The
1,
and then I put them on
2,
foot patrol.
1.
How you
2.
like me now?
Yes.
When my pinkies
You got
over
it.
300,000.
Hey.
Let's drink, you the one to please. Ludacris fill cups like
Double
double
more.
D. Me and
1,
Ush, what's more when we
2.
leave them dead? We want a lady in
All
the
right,
street,
hands
but
above
a
your
freak
head.
in
Here
the
we
bed
go.
that say,
Hip, hip. You're looking amazing, everyone. Give me 2. 2 hips. Switch it. That's it. Back to side. Slide it. Slide low. Now let's bounce it. Bounce it. Bounce it. That's it.
And rewind it back. Lil John got the beat to make your
Now
booty
raise
go.
your hands up. Hey.
Take that. Rewind it back. Usher got the voice to make your booty go.
That's low. Get low.
Take that. Rewind it back.
All
Ludacris
right.
got the flow to make your booty go.
Take it up.
Take that. Rewind it back. Lil John got the beat to make your booty go.
Hands up and hip it. Oh, you guys did fantastic. Thank you for dancing with us. Thank you for sharing your energy with us. Make sure you like and subscribe for all of our future videos. Thanks for being here with us today. Mwah.